Ramaphosa must go, and Ramaphosa must go today. We don't want Ramaphosa as our president. Ramaphosa has brought a shame into the union building. The ANC has brought a shame into the union building. They must leave, and they must leave now. We are in Parliament, in the impeachment committee. We are going to remove Ramaphosa. He went to court to try and stop that process. The EFF applied to join. The court said join. When he tried to interdict, we opposed. We are going to court again with him. He will never stop that process. As long as EFF is alive, Phala Phala will never die. EFF will keep Phala Phala still alive.